What's going on, guys? It's Lewis, and I bet you've been wondering, hey, I thought this was a travel channel. You're right about that. For the first time, we're outside of Chicago. Today, we're in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's the Thanksgiving holiday, but that's not gonna stop us from enjoying the Strip. So today, we're gonna take a walk down the Strip that way, check out some of the great thematic architecture like the Luxor, Bellagio, the Venetian, Caesar's Palace, hey, maybe some casinos that you never even heard of. Most people come to Las Vegas to gamble, see the shows and the world famous entertainment. What if you took a look from a different perspective, like from an architecture lover's point of view? On my channel, you know I do a lot of architecture videos in Chicago. Yeah, this isn't actually legit Egyptian architecture, but it's obviously very heavily inspired, almost like a movie set. So what would it be like if you were an actor, a comedian like myself? What would it be like to walk around that movie set? Would you kind of feel transported into time? Would you act a little bit differently? Let's take a look at some of the cool, dope statues that they have and the other recreations of ancient Egypt inside this casino. Should be a good time. Inside the great big pyramid. A lot of casino machines here, slot machines, a roulette, and I think there's some other cool things to explore, so we're gonna check out and see what else we can find inside. So we're inside Caesar's Palace now, which is an ancient Roman themed casino and hotel. Been wanting to come here for a long time because of the theme. I think it's pretty cool, the ancient Roman motif. They have a lot of columns and statues of Julius Caesar, and inside, of course, it's a lot of gambling, but I think they maintain the theme pretty well. So we're gonna keep walking around here and check out some of the other little hidden gems that they have inside. It's like walking around a movie set, and a lot of happy people, a lot of gamblers, sports betting, drinking. So it's a lot of fun, pretty low-key because it is the day before Thanksgiving, which normally I'm sure this place would be a lot more packed. Check out the Venetian boats, or gondolas behind us. This is where you board. It costs about $200 per hour to ride one of these boats. So I don't know if I'd recommend that when you come over here to the Venetian shops. That money's better spent at the Skechers flagship shop, which is right over there. Right now, we're in front of the Flamingo Casino, which has a really cool story. It's one of the oldest ones here on the Strip, and the original owner ran out of money before he could finish building it. And then it was taken over by a famous mobster, Bugsy Siegel, who got a lot of loans from his mob homies. Unfortunately, it wasn't making money, so they couldn't pay him back. So they murked him. In comes a third owner who finally brought it to a success, and it's still standing here today. So it's an interesting history depending on which way you look at things. It's got really dope neon signs. It's pretty much quintessential Las Vegas. Let's keep on going. Headed off to Paris, Las Vegas. Alright guys, we're ending our tour of the Las Vegas Strip at Paris, Las Vegas. I'm a big Paris fan. It's one of my favorite cities in the entire world. I've been a couple of times, and the recreations here are actually pretty on point. And it's a really enjoyable place. Inside you got that French theme, French restaurants and all that good stuff. So if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like down below. And if you are new to my channel, of course, you gotta subscribe and hit the notification bell. I really hope you enjoyed this look at the Las Vegas Strip. I certainly had fun making this and walking around and checking out some of these legendary hotels and casinos. That's gonna be all for today's video. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. We out of here. Peace.